Dorison is located in Guangzhou, Guangdong Province, with more than 500 employees. The company has 3 production and R&D centers in Guangzhou, Foshan and Hangzhou, gathering a group of professional and technical talents. They are constantly exploring and innovating, and are committed to technological breakthroughs in the field of temperature and humidity regulation. Innovation is the driving force for Dorison to keep moving forward. Dorison's products have the national invention patent an intelligent dehumidifier based on big data, and have independently developed the dehumidification system. These innovative achievements not only improve the performance and quality of products, but also bring users a more intelligent and convenient use experience. Its core components, such as compressors and dehumidification systems, fully demonstrate Dorison's outstanding achievements in technological research and development. Quality is the bottom line that Dorison adheres to. As a technology-based enterprise, Dorison has extremely strict requirements for core components. From the selection of raw materials to the control of production processes, every link strictly follows high standard quality requirements. Dorison has won industry honors such as Rose Health Certification and EUC Certification. These certifications are a high recognition of the product quality of Dorison. Dorison has reached a strategic partnership with Panasonic, further enhancing the quality and reliability of products. The market is the stage where Dorison shows its prowess. Intensively cultivate the domestic market, actively lay out the global market, and its business covers many countries and regions. The perfect service network provides customers with high-quality pre-sales, in-sales and after-sales services. Reaching long-term strategic cooperation with major industry leaders has provided solutions for well-known domestic and foreign brands, such as China Wenchang Satellite Launch Center, Huawei, Samsung, and Nike, which has enhanced Dorison's brand awareness and laid a solid foundation for the company's sustainable development. Responsibility is the original intention that Dorison never forgets. As a specialized, refined, special and new enterprise in Guangdong Province, Dorison adheres to the business philosophy of innovation, quality and service, has a good corporate image and social responsibility, and continuously creates value for customers. In the future, Dorison will continue to be committed to environmental changes and contribute to promoting the sustainable development of the industry.